Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. Now with today's piece, this one right here is something special. We've got Miles Morales paired up with the legendary 2017 Ford GT. And this thing looks fast even sitting still. Right away, you can see Miles Morales standing right next to the Ford GT in his black and red suit. That contrast between his colors and the car just works perfectly. The Ford GT itself has that aggressive, low-to-the-ground stance that makes it look like it belongs on the track. Looking at the front end, you've got that sleek aerodynamic design Ford is known for. The headlights are sharp, the hood lines are clean, and everything about this car screams performance. Moving along the sides, you can really see those deep body lines and sculpted air channels that help push air straight through the car. This isn't just for looks, it's built for speed. Now when we get to the back, this is where things get serious. Check out that exhaust setup right there in the center. That single aggressive exhaust outlet looks ready to roar down the track at full throttle. And right above it, one of my favorite features. You can actually see the engine sitting in the back through the rear window. That mid-engine layout is what makes the Ford GT such a beast in real life, and seeing it replicated here in diecast form just brings it to life. Now let's take a look at the top. Right here on the roof, you've got the emblem. That detail right there really ties the whole car together and gives it that authentic, official Ford GT identity. Small details like that are what separate a good diecast from a great one. And of course, we can't forget Miles Morales himself, standing right next to the Ford GT in his iconic black and red Spider-Man suit. He looks ready to jump in and take this machine for a spin. The pose, the colors, everything about this figure complements the car perfectly. Overall, this Miles Morales and 2017 Ford GT combo is an absolute must-have. From the detailed exhaust, to the visible rear engine, to that clean emblem on the roof, this piece brings together performance and superhero style in one package. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing you this Wile E. Coyote and his 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner from Jada's Toys. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go on and cruise to our other cool videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.